Good afternoon, class. Today we'll be examining fractions and we will be learning what fractions are and how to identify them. Now, I know that you've seen fractions before in your previous classes, so let's go through some examples and see what we understand. Here are the objectives that we will be looking at. Okay, class, can I please have a volunteer to tell me what is the fraction for the lions in the cage? Alright, thank you very much. So as you can see, we have 5 lions over here and 5 lions over here. So the fraction of lions in the cage is 5 out of the 10 total lions. Can anyone tell me what that becomes? Yep, it's 1/2 of the lions. Alright, and then can someone else please come up to the board and put an X on 6 out of the 7 of the pigs? Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you would leave 1 blank because you only want 6 out of the 7 pigs. And then what is the fraction of footballs on the left? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 footballs out of 6, 7, 8, 9 balls total. So it would be 5 out of 9. And then can anyone else come on the board and do the other half of the problem? So what fraction of soccer balls are on the right? So this time you're counting soccer balls. Yep, so that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 soccer balls. We would have 5 soccer balls out of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 footballs. And does anyone remember what 5 over 10 becomes? Yep, it becomes 1 over 2. So 1/2 of the balls. And then put an X on the footballs and then write the fraction of how many there are. So this is just the same thing as the other one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5 out of 5 plus 4. So 5 out of 9. Alright, class, for this one we have to move 1/2 of the frogs into the pond. So I could have a volunteer come up and help me. So first we have to understand what 1/2 of the frogs is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frogs total. So does anyone remember how many frogs out of 10 would be half? Yep, 5 of them. So that completes all the examples we have on fractions for today. Alright, class, and as I like to do after every lesson, I would like you to tell me what we learned today. So if someone could come up to the board and explain what we learned. An example could be fractions. You also learned how to use the whiteboard and how technology can be used to enhance our learning. Yeah, you did learn that. And then we mostly learned how also different fractions can be changed into other fractions. Alright, class, that's all I have for today, but I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day.